So today we have the CyberWheel Cap kit. So I had, we were offered, you know, the wheel cap kit that comes with the truck when we bought it. That's loud. Okay, I'll try and speak a little bit louder. That's a helicopter that decided to start flying overhead right when I'm filming. Look at this. You see it? Not sure if you caught that. I'm just saying, people, everybody's looking for their moment. Anywho, as I was saying, CyberWheel Cap kit. So for me, we had these wheel covers, which still look nice, right? They're not exactly bad looking, right? However, I've seen these wheel caps and figured I like this look. It's not so bulky. I kind of open it. It has a protective cover. Take one out, right? And then now we'll see. So I've taken the wheel caps off of that, and we're gonna go ahead and see. Okay, see if I can set this right there. I'll see you go ahead and install this. It's pretty easy. Kind of fits right in. For me, that looks much better. And now let's see about doing the other two. So I'm gonna show me trying to take, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off, the handle, the snap on. Pops right off. Again, they're just a little bit too bulky for me. Everyone has their preference. Some people love it. I like the clean look. I'm gonna try the cleaner look. I don't know, I just like it. And the last one. I think you gotta get it from here, right? It's kind of redundant at this point. So sometimes reading directions is good, but my point was, in looking at it, there's also this little tool. I suspect it helps to remove, it's called the trim removal tool. So I guess if you want to take off the caps, you have this. You have this to be able to take the caps off. So we're gonna store this in the truck, somewhere in the truck that's easy to find.